So yesterday, Oliema almost make things easy for Biggie, guys. You know how difficult it is to choose top 10. Oh, Biggie was going to be like, I don't need to choose 10. Somebody decided to evict herself. She went far to ring the bell to say, Biggie, I want to go home. She was busy crying, packing her bags. After they had an argument, no Ashe, guys. Who Ashe seems not to care. We all know that King Wanda has said a lot over he's leaving this week. Today is eviction day. He had a dream leaving the house. So guys, yesterday he was adding spices. He was putting six gun. Oh, King Wanda was telling Ashe, don't trust Liema. She's dangerous. He even went on to say she started making Ashe breakfast every morning without Ashe asking her. She will scream, where is Ashe's plate when everybody is dishing? She started being close and started talking about their friendship. Ashe told her about how he met a girlfriend. They were talking with Ashe every day. They were very close, Uliema and Ashe. King Wanda went on again to say from day one, Uliema was giving a mean girl vibes. Oh, King Wanda, guys, he doesn't care because he knows that today is leaving. People are saying between King Wanda, Tracy, and Ilano, somebody is going home. So right now, King Wanda, he's destroying the friendship. He's trying to show Ashe Uguti, Uliema, she doesn't care about you, guys. And people are saying Uguti is doing this because he knows very well he's going home. If he wasn't going home, he was not going to do this, guys. Right now, he's busy writing letters to Wabutande, Gabo Ashe. They don't even care, People are just doing whatever they want because they can see Uguti, it is too late. We are all going to top 10. Whether we don't like Tandek, at the end of the day, one of us needs to win the 2 million rand. Whether it's Didi, Liam, I don't think Liam will love for Didi to win the 2 million rand just because they are friends. Guys, everyone is fighting for themselves. Oh, Ashe has shown his true color. Oh, but I'm not innocent as you guys think. He says he's not here to make friendship. He doesn't care. He just wants to be good with everyone, respect everyone. You can see he doesn't have a problem with Tandega. He doesn't have a problem with Melly, with the Bravo B, guys. They don't care. They're here for 2 million rand, not to form a group. Blame Ashe because he has his own strategy. Uliema also has her own strategy. Who do you think is leaving tonight? The guys, as for me, I'm not sure. I still want stress in the house. Ilano, guys, Ilano was cooking, she was cleaning. Uliema on Sunday, she said she have never seen anyone winning a 2 million because of cleaning and cooking. Guys, I wonder who's gonna cook if Ilano and Tracy leave, because I think those two, they really do cook every day, guys. I've never seen, yes, I've seen, let me not lie, I've seen Tandeka and Millie cooking once, and some people are saying, if only Millie can leave, we want to see something go Tandeka. Some are saying between Millie and Didi. Some say both Millie and Didi needs to leave. We want to see Liema and Tandeka. You know something, Uliema mentioned something yesterday. She was like, me and Tandeka, we are the same. The problem, we're in the same house. If we go outside the house, we can be good together. So, I do understand Liema what she's talking about. So anyway, guys, who do you think is leaving today, guys? So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday, happy eviction day. We don't have a choice. Somebody has to leave. So anyway, guys, bye.